Welcome, theatrical mask makers. Grab your instructions and let's get started with step 1. Cut folder into a rectangle the size of your forehead. Then cut 2 half circles on the bottom for your eyes. You're going to have to use your head to measure this, but first, grab your file folder. Cut a large rectangular shape, hold it up to your face, and use a pencil or pen to mark where your eyes are. Cut 2 large half circles out so that you can see through this first shape. Then grab your green file folder and cut a long rectangular strip, measure it around your head, and tape in place. Now we're on to step 3. Cut another long rectangular strip, make 2 slits on either side, and slide it onto your mask base. This is going to hold the snout of your mask up and away from your face so that it's more comfortable for you to wear. Tape on the inside and the outside of this connection to hold this strip in place. Yep, that looks right. Wow, we're already done with step 3. Now we're on to step 4. Create a snout. There are 2 example shapes under step 4 that you can use for a snout, but feel free to experiment if you'd like. Next, you're going to cut a slit in the bottom and fold it over and tape it in place. Now you have a cup. Now that you have your snout built, it's time to attach it to your mask. Use the folder that's coming down in between the eyes on the mask to attach your snout. See how I'm putting tape there? Perfect. Add as much tape as you need to hold it in place. Don't forget to also tape on the inside so that your snout stays in place. You're going to tape the snout onto the step 3 strip that we attached just before. Try on your mask and check yourself out in a mirror. Now we're on to step 5. We're going to create some ears for our masks. Ears come in all shapes and sizes, but just be sure that you make yours big enough to see on your mask. Once you have your first ear shape cut out, you can use it to trace and make your second. Now that you have both ears, we can cut slits at the bottom and tape them in place to make them more dimensional, like a cup. Get yourself out some tape so that you're ready to attach your ears. Hold both ears in place on your mask to see how they look before you attach them. You probably want 2 or 3 pieces of tape to hold your ears in place. Now's a good time to try on your mask again. My mask sort of looks like a donkey to me, so I looked up a photo just to check out what they look like. Now we're on to step 6. Create nose. I'm drawing out my shape, going to cut it out, and you can either color this shape or not, it's up to you. So the shape that I drew wasn't one of the shapes on the worksheet, and if you look at a photo of your animal and want to draw a different shape, go right ahead. There's also the shapes on the worksheet that will work just great if you use those. Once you've found the right spot for your nose, you can attach it to your mask with tape. Try on your mask again and check yourself out in the mirror. You did it! Congratulations! Now make your mask your own. Use some of the scraps you have around to maybe attach some eyebrows. There are feathers and sparkles and pom-poms and pipe cleaners that you can use for all kinds of things on your mask. So have fun! Maybe there are even things around your house that you'd like to attach to your mask.